So you just got your Quintanaru bike and are wondering how to adjust your seat post. Follow these quick and easy steps and you'll be riding in no time. First, we'll start off by installing the seat post. While inserting the seat post, make sure you have the wedge, as this will hold the seat post in place. When sliding the seat post, make sure you slide the wedge in also. To tighten the post down, use an Allen key or a torque wrench. When tightening the wedge with the Allen key, use a few fingers on the end of the Allen key, and when it starts to flex, you are close to 8 Newton meters. If you have a torque wrench, make sure you torque to the recommended spec. 8 Newton meters is the recommended spec for this bike. All Quintanaru PR bikes come with the perfect position seat post that allows for a wide adjustability of the saddle. Underneath, you'll find 2 saddle angle adjustment bolts. Start by loosening the saddle rail clamp bolts. This will allow you to move the saddle forward or back. Then loosen the saddle position adjustment bolts. This will allow you to orient the saddle to the desired angle. Once you've reached your desired angle, tighten down the saddle adjustment bolts. Then tighten the saddle rail clamp bolts. The saddle rail clamp bolts can be then torqued to 12 Newton meters. Then torque your saddle adjustment bolts to 8 Newton meters. All PRseries bikes come stock with the round rail saddle clamp for alloy saddle rails. Also available is an ovalized rail clamp for carbon railed saddles. This can be found on our replacement parts page.